Hi everyone, this is me. Who's me? This is some stupid guy that put his fingers in an electric socket. You can see what it did to me. Look at my hair. I'm telling you, it's really rough when you make a mistake. All I did was just, I sort of, I, I'm telling you, look at that, look at that. I'm so discouraged. I got, I shouldn't have touched that electric. I'm, oh man, it shrunk my head considerably, and look at my body. Wow. Anyway, I feel like I got a pimple on my top of my shoulders. Take care. Oh gosh, look, my poor hair. Uh,